Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to be filming this purple grape berry halo eye. Yeah, I was thinking about it yesterday and I was like, I want to film a halo eye. So I did one eye off camera and then I was like, ooh, yes, I liked it. And here we are now. I actually was getting ready for something, but you guys are going to find out in the video that it didn't really turn out that way, but that's okay. The look came out really nice. You guys want to learn how to achieve this look, kind of more or less, because I'm not really a great explainer. I just kind of do it and you guys watch and learn type of thing, you know? But if you want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So for today's eyeshadow look, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Walk collection, and I'm going to be using the palettes Bling Boss. Okay, and these are the shades right here. Super cute. This is what it looks like. I hope it looks good on camera, because if not, I'm gonna feel pretty down because it looks good in person. I'm actually really liking it. So let's just go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Sparks. And then we're just going to bring this all the way up to the brow bone. That's the look I like to create. Some people don't like to bring the eyeshadow all the way up, but I do. I just feel like I have enough eyelid space to do that. So I just take advantage and I do whatever I want. And then if you guys are wondering, I'm not just getting ready for fun. I'm actually gonna get ready. I'm going to dinner with my friends. We're having Friendsgiving. I'm kind of glad we're going to dinner instead of making food, because then I feel on Thursday I'm gonna get overwhelmed with all the Thanksgiving food. You know, it's always the same thing: mashed potatoes, turkey, and corn. Or something like that, and I just don't want to get overwhelmed. I just want to enjoy it that day, and I'm so glad we're going out to dinner instead. So yeah. My friend just called me and she was like, Friendsgiving's tomorrow, right? And I was like, oh my god. I'm not even mad though, because I really like how this look is coming out, so I'm just gonna keep going for it. Alright. I'm gonna feel so dumb if my other friend was like, yeah, it's on Wednesday, not Tuesday. Hold on, she's calling me.
What? I ate that nasty chicken my mom made. I ate that nasty chicken my mom made. That's crazy.
You really have class today, Jessica, or you're just kidding?
I really have lab every Tuesday. Remember last time you guys wanted to go eat, and then I said I have lab?
No.
I really have class tomorrow. Are you guys gonna have Friendsgiving without me?
No, we're not.
I'm all excited.
Dude, I showered and everything.
And we over here laid down, like I showered and like laid down and like.
Okay, so I just finished up my eyes and I applied my eyelashes. I feel like they look different, but I just opened them today, so I know they're the same ones. But here's the look, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. I already primed with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer matte version one. I freaking hate when foundation gets on it. Okay, and then now for concealer, I'm just gonna use the foundation I have on the back of my hand because I don't have concealer right now. so I'm just gonna work with what I got. I feel like my eyeshadow looks good. Imagine it doesn't. Okay, and then to bronze my face, I'm gonna be using... Ooh. Okay, so to bronze my face, I'm gonna be using this bronzer by NARS. It's in the shade Casino. I feel like the camera's not picking up the bronzer. I'm putting hella bronzer on right now. And then for blush and bronzer, I'm going to be using Give Me Sun by MAC. I'm not gonna bake underneath the bronzer. I just like to clean it up a little bit with my beauty sponge. And then we are gonna add a little bit of highlight. Honestly, I don't really like highlight because I have oily skin, but for today's video we will do it. And I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow right here from the Jaclyn palette. Okay, so to finish off the lips, I used this lip liner. This is the Cookie Professional Cosmetics lip liner in a nude. And then I used this Buxom lip gloss in Dolly. This is my favorite. And then along with the Revlon, I also used the Revlon lip gloss in the shade 215 Supernatural. So this is the look. Let me just... Okay. Let me go change my top. Okay, so that wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm kind of thinking about doing Vlogmas, but I'm kind of a boring person, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. Maybe I'll do like day 2 and 3 together, you know, something like that. But yeah, give me some more ideas on what to do next. I don't know what else to say, so I guess until next time. Bye guys.